Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Cooking with Marcus. I am not supposed to be filming today. I'm sorry I'm out of uniform, but I want to make something really quick and easy. The kids are playing outside. We can make a little dip, and then we've got some chicken breast. We can put this over later. So I kind of wanted to show you my avocado tomato, what I call it, a little nice topper or dip. Come on over and let's see what ingredients we got. Okay guys, we've got our onions, our tomatoes, our chopped avocado. We've got our sea salt, garlic powder, black pepper. We're using Grey Poupon. Don't use any store-bought potato salad mustard. We got to use our real Dijon mustard, guys, okay? We got our lime juice, olive oil, and sugar. Let's put this together real quick before I get in trouble, all right? Come on. Put in some avocados, okay? I'm going to do some tomatoes next, with some onions, okay, and I'm gonna sprinkle in my lime juice. All right, use about a half a cup of lime juice, guys, okay. Next, we're gonna put in some of our Grey Poupon. All right, so we're gonna put some Grey Poupon in here, guys. Dijon mustard. We're gonna add roughly a quarter cup of sugar. We don't want it too sweet, okay? And we're gonna add us some black pepper, about a half a teaspoon, a little garlic powder, and some fresh sea salt, okay? And of course, just to make it all come together and emulsify, we're gonna add some olive oil. And this is just a great salad topper for your chicken breast, salmon. You can get tortillas for dip. I'm gonna add a little more olive oil, excuse me, to it. You can add it over your chicken breast, your salmon. Just a great mixture. I really like it. And literally, guys, that is it. 1 second, let's get us some tortillas, and we'll be right back to try this. Alright guys, we're going to get a little bit out of the bowl here and put it right here. Just want to taste a little bit of it. I didn't have 100% tortillas, but I got Doritos. It's just as good. Just as good. Let me get down in here and taste a little bit of this. This is one of my favorite quick and easy dips or toppers to make. You guys, thanks for coming by today and sneaking in with me. Sorry I'm out of uniform, but hey, we always got to cook something every day, you know, if we have to, okay? Like, share, comment, keep watching, let's follow us, and we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Marcus.